Hey Joe.
Hi. Hi, Chai. Can you lend me out dear? I promise I'll pay back soon.
Okay, well, alright. Including the offers last week, you now owe me $17 billion.
I promise I'll pay you back this time.
And where's this money coming from?
I'm helping Adam at the NYU Med School for some research, you know.
What kind of research?
Just, you know, science.
Science? Yeah, I've heard that.
It's a fertility study.
Joey, please tell me you're only donating your time.
Come on, guys, that's not a big deal. I go down every other day and, you know, I make my contribution. Hey, but at the end of 2 weeks, I get $1,700.
Wow, you're gonna be making money end over fist.
Coffee for Monica, tomato soup for Chandler, and black coffee for Joey.
Such an idiot.
So, what's that about?
I'm just taking pills.
Yeah, but what's the point of it?
I'm not sure.
Tell us what you know.
I'm not trying to find out more. I'm just making money.
Yes, that's good, but the purpose of a study is mainly to demonstrate the efficacy of a treatment compared to another. Yes, that's it, but there is several types of intervention in studies.
Intervention?
It's just the assessment of the intervention's effects, like diagnostic, therapeutic, like yours, or other types, on the biomedical results, or related to health. There are 3 types: uncontrolled trial, randomized controlled trial, and non-randomized controlled trial.
Too much for my brain. I don't know.
Well, we can ask you some questions if we want. Was there 2 groups in your study?
We were split in 2 groups, one with treatment and one without treatment.
Yes, that's called the placebo group and the control group.
And the placebo is a pill but without the active principle.
Okay, since there were only 2 groups in your study, we can remove the non-randomized control trial, because in this type of study, there isn't a control group. The treatment isn't compared to another. Okay, so we still have 2 choices. So how have you been allocated to the treatment?
What do you mean?
Well, was it random or did someone choose?
Oh, it means that it was random.
Okay, so it's not a non-randomized control trial, because in this kind of research there is no randomization. So we can deduct you are in a randomized control trial, because there are 2 groups, which one is for the placebo and was for the comparison, and that's why we call it a control trial. And randomized is because the participants are randomly allocated in each group. By the way, it's the best type of research. There is not really much bias on the maximum control of the study features and factors. Therefore, when you get your result, it will be sure and reliable.
Well, as soon as the study's over, I'll let you know, but I hope it's not too soon.
So, what do you want to do with your $700, Joe?
Maybe create my own theater piece or a movie. After paying back, of course.